We're at the Student Services building at USF. We've got an elevator to ride, but it's not what you might remember. This used to be a Guardian elevator, but now, look at this. Schindler modded it. Let's go to 2. I could not hear what that just said. I heard that say 2nd floor, I think. Although that is a very quiet voice. That said going down, so it probably said going up at first. I don't think I've ever heard that kind of voice before. Let's go for one more ride. End it down at 1. It still has the original GAL interlock. It's really a shame this was modded. I don't think I've ever seen an elevator of that brand before, but it was modded. There it goes. And that'll be it.